Tata just resurrected an icon and hypercharged it. The Sierra.EV starts at 18.79 lakh rupees, and it is not one car, it is 6 variants, 2 battery packs, and for the first time ever on a Sierra, 4-wheel drive. Get the variant right, and you get a triple-screen tech flagship with over 500 kilometers of real-world range. Get it wrong, and you could overpay by 7 lakh rupees, or miss the one feature that matters most to you. In the next few minutes, we decode every trim and every rupee, so you know exactly which Sierra.EV is yours. First, the big picture. The Sierra.EV keeps the legendary silhouette of the original 1992 Sierra, but everything underneath is new. It is 4,340 mm long on a 2,730 mm wheelbase, a proper mid-size SUV footprint, with 205 mm of ground clearance. Design touches carry across every trim: flush door handles with a welcome light, a clamshell tailgate, a hidden rear wiper, and that signature full-width light bar up front. It is built on Tata's Acti.EV Plus architecture, the same platform underneath the bigger Harrier EV, so the Sierra inherits a proven motor and battery combination in a tighter, more agile package. Now, the part that decides which Sierra you buy, the powertrain. 2 battery packs are on offer. The 63 kWh pack is rear-wheel drive only, makes 238 PS, and delivers up to 460 km real-world range. Step up to 75 kWh for 209 PS and up to 530 km, the longest in the lineup. The headline feature sits on top. Empowered A can be specced with QWD, Tata's dual-motor setup delivering 280 PS combined and 504 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds, with 6 terrain modes including sand and rock crawl. Fast charging adds 263 km in just 15 minutes, and every pack carries a lifetime warranty. Let us put powertrain and pricing side by side. Pure and Pure S share the 63 kWh, 238 PS rear-wheel drive setup, from 18.79 lakh to 20.49 lakh, your value picks. Adventure is the swing variant, offered with either battery pack, topping out at 22.19 lakh for the 75 kWh version. Empowered locks in the bigger pack as standard at 23.79 lakh. And at the Summit, Empowered A starts at 24.79 lakh, or spec the QWD dual-motor all-wheel drive option for 25.99 lakh, Tata's first ever 4-wheel drive Sierra, with 6 terrain modes for genuine off-road capability. Step inside, and the story is all about screens and space. Every Sierra.EV gets a dual-screen setup, but from Empowered upward, you get the Horizon View triple-screen experience, including a dedicated front passenger display running Theatre Pro and the Arcade.EV suite, over 30 apps, including India's first in-car gaming console, Air Console. Audio comes from 12 JBL Black speakers with a subwoofer and soundbar, tuned with Dolby Atmos, available from Adventure upward. Comfort scales with trim too. Ventilated seats and memory driver's seat arrive at Empowered, while Power Co-Driver seat and our 19 alloys are Empowered A exclusives. And boot space expands from 622 liters seats up to 1257 liters with them folded flat. Safety scales dramatically as you climb the lineup. Every Sierra.EV, even the base Pure, comes with 6 airbags, ISO fixed anchors, and Tata's electronic stability program with 19 features covering hill hold to rollover mitigation. But the advanced driver assistance suite is exclusive to Empowered A and above, a Level 2 Plus ADAS system with 22 features, including adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and intelligent speed assist. Only Empowered A adds the 540-degree transparent mode camera and auto park assist with remote summon. If active safety tech is a priority, this is the one line Tata draws hard: no ADAS below empowered A, regardless of battery size. Now let us map the feature ladder trim by trim. Pure and Pure S are your essentials tier, 6 airbags and a dual-screen setup standard, with Pure S adding a panoramic sunroof, parking sensors, and Tata's connected car suite. Adventure unlocks the tech and audio upgrade, 360 camera, 12 JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos, and the Arcade.ev gaming suite. Empowered is where luxury kicks in: the triple-screen Horizon View system, ventilated memory seats, dual-zone climate, and a gesture-controlled clamshell tailgate. And Empowered tops it off with a 19 alloys, the full Level 2 Plus ADAS suite, 540-degree transparent mode camera, and, exclusively here, the option to add QWD all-wheel drive with 6 terrain modes. Ownership costs matter as much as the sticker price. Tata backs the Sierra.ev with over 28,000 public chargers, plus its own mega chargers offering up to 25% discounts for Tata EV owners. At home, the 75 kWh pack takes about 10.5 hours to fully charge on a 7.2 kW AC wall box. One important cost to budget for: ex-showroom prices do not include the home charger and installation, which might come at additional cost. The QWD all-wheel drive option itself adds 1.2 lakh over standard Empowered A. Add it all up with registration and insurance, and the gap between a base Pure and a loaded Empowered A QWD stretches well past 7 lakh rupees on road. So which Sierra.ev should you actually buy? City commuters who want the Sierra look on a budget should look at Pure S at 20.49 lakh, sunroof, cruise control, and connected features without paying for range you won't use. Family buyers who value comfort and camera coverage should pick Adventure with the 75 kWh pack at 22.19 lakh. Tech and comfort lovers want Empowered at 23.79 lakh, arguably the best value to luxury ratio in the lineup. If highway safety tech is non-negotiable, Empowered A at 24.79 lakh is your only option, since ADAS is locked to this trim and above. And off-roaders wanting genuine all-terrain capability need the Empowered A QWD at 25.99 lakh, the only Sierra.ev with all-wheel drive. That is the complete Tata Sierra.ev lineup: 6 variants, 2 batteries, and for the first time, real four-wheel drive capability, all built on a platform that already proved itself EV space. Bookings are open now, with deliveries starting July 15th. Which variant matches your driving life? The value-focused Pure S, the tech-loaded Empowered, or the all-terrain Empowered A QWD? Drop your pick in the comments, and if this breakdown saved you a trip to 5 different showrooms, hit subscribe for more deep dives just like this one.